Ayan. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Itong kotse na to has been parked here for 3 days. And dahil ulan siya ng ulan, tas all day and night, hindi ko na siya na-check what's inside of it. So, i-unlock na natin para ma-check talaga natin yung loob. So, pag in-unlock natin, ito naman yung mirror doon. Oh, say. Okay, pasok na tayo. Natin siya today very briefly lang kasi you can definitely watch this on any channel or do your reviews online on the website. So for today we're just gonna try to see what I can learn from the inside because yung Ford ko po sa US is like 14, 15 years old. So everything yun sa kotse ko doon dipihit, dipihit talaga siya, wala siyang screen, so very outdated. Pero yung reliability, kasi yung car ko nag-last siya ng 15 years, 15 or 14 if I'm not mistaken, and then yung sa asawa ko naman also more than 10 years. Brake, push, oh say, and then ano ba to? Apakadami naman. AC muna kasi ang init-init. Okay, nakapark ako. My God, struggle. Ang dami ko kasi nakikitang pinipindot. Pero nagda-drive naman talaga ako sa US, and this is not my first car option before we purchased this. Dapat yung Staria, but then na-realize ko hindi naman talaga ako komportable na mag-drive ng ganong kalaki like shuttle type. Kaya ito, nag-Ford Titanium tayo, at least we are Ford. Ito actually yung ako, wait lang. So look at the screen. So right now I'm on park. When you press this button, pag press natin yan, it would show park brake off. So, ibig sabihin, sa handbrake, naka-off na ako dun. So, kapag drive ko na to, under na siya. One more. I'll put this on park. And then, I'll press this one. Once I press this, it would say, park brake off pa din, B. Oh, but if I lift it up, park brake on. So I released it, nakapark tayo. Security lang mga B. Park. Ito daw yung para sa yan, wiper. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Uy, tumigil ka. And then sa likod naman ay this one. Ito, sa likod. So, parang basic naman. Basic, pero kailangan ko siyang intindihin na mabuti dahil, it's been a while since I, drive this bigger vehicle. The last time I had is yung Durango ko, which has a 3rd row seat. And I had that for 7 years before I changed my car to Ford Escape. And since then, hindi na ako nagpalit ng sasakyan. Talagang antibay nung Escape ko, to be honest with you. And let's try the sunroof. Alright mga B. So I'm gonna push the button for the sunroof. Oh, say. It's just gonna go halfway, I think. And then you do another one. Oh, no! Bumukas na siya! Ayun, okay. This is a trial and error, you guys. I'm telling you. Ayan, now it's closed. And then this one is go all the way at the back. Oh, diba? And then we press it again. Pabalik na siya. So it's gonna go halfway. Oh, diba? And then we'll do it again para bumalik siya. Oh, ganun. Okay, so going forward, ito yung screen niya. This is the menu. You can also check on the owner's manual here kung gusto mo magbasa. You have categories, and there we can get the general information, vehicle, whatever you need. It's here. So see, like there's just so much to learn. Meron kang book, and at the same time you have this loaded on your car. Now going back, you can definitely you know, connect it to your Bluetooth, do your media, your phone, your Apple CarPlay, which is, this is pretty much explainable. If you know how to navigate your smartphone, you can definitely do this here. So we'll try to do drive. So we're going forward, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I reversed. See, that's the backup camera. You have the whole screen, and you'll just look at it. Hi Drake! Hi Drake! Drakey! Drive! Hi Drake! So guys, it's just a recap of this. I just tried, and I wanted to see a closer look of how this car looks from the inside, and I'm very satisfied with how it looks like from the, you know, the design, the interior, and of course, you know, it's a third row seat. Most likely can fit 7 to 8 people, depending on your size, of course. But then unfortunately, can't even practice to drive it around because of the weather. It's been raining every single day and night, so hindi ko siya ma-practice. Yeah, I'm a satisfied customer, and will always love Ford. Me and my husband is a good, you know, is a buyer of Ford. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye.